During this whole interview that you had with Lori Vallow, did she ever tell you that she handed over the phone to Charles?
She did not, no.
So during the initial confrontation, when it's just her and Charles and he's demanding her phone, she won't give it back to him.
Correct.
When her daughter comes out and involves herself in this altercation, she wouldn't give him back the phone.
Correct.
And she advised that he's still at that point demanding his phone.
Yes.
And again, he's there to take JJ to school, right?
Right.
And then her brother comes out, and again, he's demanding the phone, and she still won't give it to him.
Correct.
Did she ever explain to you why she didn't just hand the phone back over?
She did not, no.
If I can have my paralegal approach with 286. Have you looked at Exhibit 286 before?
I have.
And is your initials and badge on that?
It is, yes.
And is that a copy of the full interview?
It is, yes.
So it includes whatever conversations you had throughout that, about Charles Vallow and her views on him,
Yes.
and repeatedly that she never gave the phone back to Charles Vallow.
That's right.
State will move to admit 286.
Same objection.
Same objection, Your Honor.
286 is admitted.
I'm not gonna play it this time. Did Lori Vallow ever call 911?
She did not.
Not playing it. Yeah, they're wrong. Do you know who called 911?
I believe Alex Cox called 911.
We've discussed that she had multiple cell phones, correct?
Correct.
And so did you later learn that she also had Charles Vallow's cell phone?
I did.
So she has at least 2 cell phones with her, but she did not call 911.
That's correct.
After you interviewed Lori, did you have to get her and Tylee back to where the car was?
I did, yes.
Did you and someone else drive her, Tylee, and Alex Cox back?
Myself and, at the time, Detective, but now Lieutenant Moffett did.
So can you tell us about that?
So the interviews were concluded, and we were going to get them back to the house. The search warrant was still ongoing at the house, but to get them back to get vehicles, they weren't in custody. So I obtained our victim services has a minivan because it just holds a lot of people. And we use the minivan to take everyone back to the scene instead of driving 2 different cars with people. So I drove and Detective Moffett sat in the very back. Tylee was sitting up front with me and Lori and Alex were behind me.
What was Lori's demeanor in the car with her brother and you and Moffett?
She was unaffected, not emotional. The best description I can give is that she chattered the whole way, basically back to the house. Not upset, almost not happy, but just really unaffected by everything that was going on. It was kind of striking.
Is there any acknowledgement about what had happened?
No,
Basically just talking like it was any other day?
that's a good description, yes.